Karma means anything we do intentionally. There is a difference between karma and an incident. The difference is the intention. Think about the following two things. First is killing an ant with the killing intention. And the second is an ant is killed by a person while he is walking on a street. He did not even see the ant. What is the karma here? Yes, you are correct. Killing an ant with the killing intention is the only karma here. This explains the difference between karma and incidents. Karma has a doer, but an incident just happens to someone or something. In karma, the doer is responsible for what he or she has done. For incidents, the doer is not responsible. Natural incidents, as it sounds, are included under incidents. According to Lord Buddha, intention is karma. We need to understand two things about karma. First is, without an intention, there is no karma. The second is, we do karma from our three doors, which are our mind, our body, and our words. Let's see examples for each door. Mind. Imagine you got a new TV recently and now you have a spare TV which is not in use. A poor friend of yours asks for the old TV, but you don't give it to the poor person because you are greedy for the old TV. So you keep it without using it. Body. Stealing someone else's money. Words. Telling lies to mislead someone. Based on the intention, karma divided into two. Kusala karma and akusala karma. Kusala means good or skillful. Akusala means bad or unskillful. I know what you are thinking. How can you figure out whether a particular karma is good or bad? It's simple. A karma can be kusala karma or akusala karma based on the intention of the doer. Karma with a good intention is kusala karma. Karma with a bad intention is akusala karma. If a particular karma is good or helpful for us and it is good or helpful for others, it is considered as kusala karma. Let's analyze stealing someone else's money. Because of the stealing intention, it is a karma. The person who is stealing money will be happy, but is it good or helpful for the owner of that money? No. Let's say that money is to take some medicine of that owner's son. Then definitely it's very bad and unhelpful. Because of that, stealing someone else's money is akusala karma. Congratulations! Now you know what karma is and how to identify kusala and akusala karma. We can replace good or helpful with a more general term positive impact, and bad or unhelpful with a more general term negative impact. So, if a particular karma has a positive impact on us and a positive impact on others, that karma is considered as kusala karma. And if a particular karma has a negative impact on us and a negative impact on others, that karma is considered as akusala karma. Subscribe to Buddhism Insider channel to learn Lord Buddha's teachings. Lord Buddha did not ask anyone to follow him. Lord Buddha asked people to come and have a look at Dharma. As usual, we say, watch our videos and have a look at Buddha's teachings.